Have you ever woken up with a crick in your neck, or just one of these pains where you wake up and you can't quite rotate your neck as much as you want to? I'm going to show you one quick exercise that might just help with that if you wake up with that condition in the morning. So this is called a triangle, is the general exercise, but I'm going to be doing a modified version of it. My name is John Clark. I'm a certified postural alignment specialist here at the Postural Pain Connection. And let's get into it right now. So to start with, you're going to stand up against a wall. Most people will be able to get their heels against the wall, but if you got a really big butt like me, you might have to put your heels a few inches away. But what you really want to look for is getting your load-bearing joints all in alignment here. So you can see that my feet are underneath my knees, which are underneath my hips, which are underneath my shoulders. And everything is laying against the wall. I'm not letting my head hang forward. I'm not drooping my shoulders forward. I'm holding everything back against the wall. From here, I'm going to put my arms out, and then I'm going to take one step, a pretty large step, probably about 2.5 to 3 feet for most people. And when I do this, I want to make sure that my toes on this feet remain pointing ahead. I don't want to rotate my foot when I take this step. I need these two toes here pointing straight ahead, not the big toe. If the big toe is pointing straight ahead, your feet are actually pointing a little bit out. So you can see right here, those two toes are pointing straight ahead, and this ankle is completely parallel to the wall. This foot is parallel to the wall in the same fashion with those two toes pointing straight ahead, or to the left here. And from this point, I'm going to move my arms so that they're pointing one to the ceiling, one to the floor. I'm going to rotate to wherever is comfortable and to where I feel a good stretch along the right side here, and keep the arms pointing straight up and straight down. And I'm going to reach in each direction, actively stretching towards the ceiling and the floor. Now, the typical triangle stretch is just going to be looking up towards this arm, rotating the neck. But I find that when I really have a crick in my neck, what I like to do is this active neck rotation while I'm stretching the shoulders apart as much as I possibly can. And I'll do one set of 10 here. And you'll notice that as you're in the stretch, you can usually start reaching those shoulders even further apart. And it feels amazing in the neck here. Now when I come out of it, I'm going to rotate my hands along the wall down, and then take the step back to neutral. Now it's time to repeat on the other side. This will look exactly the same, just a mirror image. I make sure I have both my feet pointing straight ahead. I am aligned with my knees, or feet, knees, hips, and shoulders, all in alignment here. I take a step across, point this foot parallel to the wall. Now I take the opposite arms here, and well, really you should start here. Move up, stretch those apart, and now I'm going to look up and down with my neck, rotating it through whatever range of motion is comfortable and pain-free, 10 times. Keep on trying to stretch those arms more and more as you progress through the exercise, and do not move your neck too quickly. I was talking and didn't count, but I think that's around 10. And to come out of it, I'll do that same progression and then lower the arms. And whew, I don't know if you heard it, but my neck just popped. This exercise is, I'm not going to say it's going to fix every crick in your neck you might wake up with, but it's fixed all of mine so far. I'm John Clark with the Postural Pain Connection. You can visit me at www.theposturalpainconnection.com. You can find out how to book appointments with me. You can chat with me for free about if you're interested in postural therapy. You can find books to read. You can find lots of great stuff. Check the description down below. There's links to all good stuff down there. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and as always, I hope I hope that you have a functional and pain-free day. But if you don't, be sure to contact me.